Hello guys, welcome back to my video. For eyes and eyebrow I will use 4B and 6B. For face I will use 2B and HB. For lips I will use 2B and 4B. For hair I will use charcoal pencil. For clothes I will use 4B and 6B. As you can see that I am unable to hold the pencil properly, so I will use this pencil extender to shade properly. So start shading. First of all, start with the eyes. Always start shading by light grade pencil such as 2B and HB. Then as you proceed, go with the darker grade pencil such as 4B and 6B by observing your reference pic properly, and then blend your shading properly by cotton buds or blending stem. You can use any of them. While shading, hold your pencil properly so that you can have a good command on it. While blending with cotton buds, always remember apply normal pressure. Don't apply too much pressure, otherwise it will reduce the quality of your paper. After completing your blending, then move to the eyebrow part. First of all, apply 4B and then add 6B by observing your reference pic properly. Observe each and every detail of the eyebrow by looking at the reference pic. After completing the eyebrows, then move to the darker part which will later connect to the nose. Then move to the second eyes and start shading gently. The process will remain the same. Start shading with lighter grade pencils such as HB and 2B, and then move according to your reference pic. After shading every layer, blend the layer properly with cotton buds and then apply the second layer. After completing your eyes, then move to the upper part and start shading. Don't apply too much pressure, apply equal pressure on each part of the sketch while shading. After shading the upper part, then move to the nose part and shade it properly. Repeat the same process throughout the face and then blend it with cotton buds properly. Blend the nose part properly and then start working on your nose. Observe your reference pic and use your pencil grade accordingly. As you can see here that I am working on the darker part of the nose as my lighter part are finished. After this I will use kneaded eraser to highlight the light area according to the reference pic. Highlighting is a very important part of portrait drawing as it adds the realism effect to your drawing. After this, then move to the lips. First of all, shade with 2B pencil. Shade each and every part of the lips properly and then blend it with the help of cotton buds. After completing your lips, then repeat the same process and draw the side part of the face, and then we will move to the hair. For hair I will use charcoal pencil and then I will blend it with the help of brush. Blend it properly so that we can acquire a realistic effect. After completing your hair part, then move to the lower part and start shading with the lower grade pencil. First of all, use HB and then after blending apply 2B. Then move to the closed part and shade the entire part properly. Always remember, whenever you are shading in the large area, hold your pencil from back position so that you can shade the large area properly without facing any problem. Then apply multiple layer of shading to attain a dark result of the clothes, and then blend it with the help of cotton buds. Blend each and every part properly so that we can attain a realism effect. So after blending, the sketch is complete. You can add little bit of highlight according to your reference pick if you want by using Tombow Mono Zero Eraser. So here is the complete sketch of Mickey Singh. Hope you guys will like it. Thank you so much for watching.